Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's quick and practical tutorial, I'm going to show you how to easily share files right from within Google Sheets using a super handy add-on called FileDrop. By the time we're done, you'll be able to attach files directly inside your spreadsheets and share them with teammates or anyone else, making collaboration more seamless than ever. Let's dive right in. To start off, make sure you have your Google Sheet open. Maybe it's a budget, a project tracker, or any sheet where sharing extra files would help your workflow. Our first step is to equip Google Sheets with FileDrop, which is an add-on designed to make file sharing possible within your documents. It's kind of like giving Google Sheets a brand new set of features. Head up to Extensions in the menu bar at the top of your sheet, then choose Add-ons and Get Add-ons. This is where you'll find a marketplace full of helpful tools, but we're looking specifically for FileDrop. You can use the search bar, just type FileDrop and hit Enter. Once you spot it, go ahead and click Install. If you haven't installed an add-on in Google Sheets before, don't worry, just follow the prompts and allow any necessary permissions. Sometimes it takes a moment or two for the installation, so hang tight. Once FileDrop's installed, you'll want to activate it. Go back up to the Extensions menu, but this time you'll see FileDrop now appears in your list of add-ons. Hover over it, then select Start FileDrop. The add-on will pop open, typically as a sidebar on the right of your screen, ready for action. Now let's actually add a file into your sheet. This is where the magic happens. First, choose where you want to drop the file link. Just click any cell where you'd like the file to appear. Maybe it's next to a project task or right in line with a list of resources. Being intentional with cell selection helps keep your sheet easy to navigate later on. Next, look at the FileDrop sidebar and hit the Choose Files button. This lets you browse your device for the file you want to attach. Maybe it's a specification document, a photo, or even a PDF report. Select your file and upload it. After a moment, you'll see that the file's link, or sometimes its name, depending on your settings, appears right in the cell you selected. This is so much more convenient than just pasting a bunch of messy links. Okay, now your file is attached, but let's make sure others can access it. At the very top right of your Google Sheets window, you'll see the familiar Share button. Go ahead and click on that. This opens up Google Sheets' sharing menu, giving you a couple of options. If you want to share your sheet with specific people, just type in their email addresses here and set their permissions. Or if you want to make your sheet accessible to anyone with a link, maybe your whole team or class, set the access to anyone with the link. And that's it. With FileDrop and a few quick clicks, you've made Google Sheets even more powerful for teamwork and sharing. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. And if you run into any snags or you have questions about using FileDrop, let me know down in the comments. I'm always happy to help. And of course, if you want more straightforward tutorials like this one, go ahead and subscribe so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.